In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, artificial intelligence, or AI, stands as a groundbreaking development. Its potential to revolutionize industries and improve lives is undeniable. But with rapid advancement comes potential consequences, and the task for us all is to stay ahead of the game. The speed of AI development could outpace our ability to control and regulate it, leading to unforeseen outcomes. As AI becomes more advanced, predicting its behavior and impact will be increasingly challenging. This rapid pace of change could lead to dangerous situations if we're not prepared. Moreover, AI's potential to replace human jobs raises concerns. As machines become smarter and capable of performing complex tasks, they could take over jobs previously done by humans, leading to economic disruption and social upheaval. Yet, excitement surrounds AI's potential to improve lives. From self-driving cars to intelligent personal assistants, AI promises convenience and breakthroughs in fields such as healthcare and science, tackling some of the world's most pressing problems. The rapid development of AI technology presents both opportunities and challenges. It's pivotal that we understand the implications of AI and keep pace with its rapid advancement. This may involve investing in education and training to adapt to a changing job market and developing regulations to ensure AI's safe and responsible use. By taking these steps, we can harness the power of AI technology to benefit society as a whole. Stay informed, stay prepared, stay ahead of the game.